I want to calculate percentage of each product sales over grand total sales. What I do here is press equal, select the product 1 total sales, divide, click grand total sales and press enter. Then drag this down till the end of last product. I got error because I forgot to reference cells absolute. Instead, I should have marked each 7 cell as absolute and then drag. This way, I can update each formula correctly. Stay tuned till the end of video to know more about Excel reference, absolute, relative, and mixed reference. Welcome to WorkSmart Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Stay blessed and stay tuned till the end of video to learn more. In this example here, we are required to calculate the total of each product and the total of each quarter. For that, we'll go here, type equal, type sum, press tab, select the numbers, press enter. Then we drag it down. This will automatically update each formula with reference to the cell where we entered the formula. Here you see this formula has moved to product 2 and this formula is for product 3. In the same way, we type sum, select this, press enter, drag it from here. Again, if you see that the cells we selected are moving relative to the cell where we put the initial formula. This is called relative reference. In next example, we are required to calculate the percentage of each product's total with respect to total sales. For that, we'll do equal, select this, divide, select this and enter. This way you see that this is 30% of the total. If we drag it down just like we did for the total, you see we got error. We got error because the problem is this cell is fine, but vision is now this cell. And in this case, this is this cell. This one is again fine. To update this, we have to mark the H7, this red box, as absolute cell. And how to do that? You click on H7 anywhere, type F4 from keyboard, and it will mark it as absolute reference. Or it will place $signs next to H and 7. Once we press enter and drag down the cells or copy down, then you see in next row this cell, red one, is locked or it is called absolute reference. For third cell, you can also see that this is absolute reference. In third example, we are required to calculate percentage of each product and quarter sale over the total sales, which is like equal quarter 1 product 1 divided by total of product 1. We drag this to the right and drag down. We got error again because when we copied, it moved relative to this cell. Now we want to lock or mark this cell as fixed, which is H4 in this case. Let's say we press F4 and press enter. Now if I drag this to right and then drag down, it seems working, but let's check each formula. This formula is fine, this one is fine, but this one is not fine because it should have been dividing by product 2 total sales. In this third example or third case, we are not using the absolute reference. Instead, we'll use a mixed reference. And what is mixed reference? In our example, what we want here is to fix this H column, and once we go down, then it should move down, but if we go right or left, then this red selection should always be within H column. In that case, we press F4 again. You can press F4 multiple times, and each time, first time it will mark this as absolute, second time it will mark the row as absolute, third time it will mark the column as absolute. In our case, we need column to be absolute because we do not want this to move out of each column, but we do want this to move within the rows. That's why we are not marking the row or 4 as locked. Or this $sign is with H, that means the H is locked. Now let's press enter, drag this to copy, and let's check this is fine, this one is also fine, and this one is also fine. and this one. In this way, we used mixed reference to get the desired results. If you don't understand any terms used in the video or want to learn more, please find the link in the description of the video, on the top right, or at the end of the video. If you have any questions and suggestions, then don't forget to mention in the comments below. Stay blessed and stay tuned for the next exciting video.